Hello everyone. Welcome back. So in this session, we will explore the playwright execution command. So first command is how to execute your own test. So in the last session, you can see all the tests were executed. But if you want to execute your own test, so we have a npx playwright test or file name. We'll define the file name basics UI dot spec.js. Okay, spec.js, and you can see, so what we have defined here, we have defined the file name, so npx file name. So I want to execute the file, means the file in our own file which is having our test cases. So let me run this. So you can see now, um, we have executed our own file test cases only. Okay, so this is the command we have. Okay, so how to execute your own test means your own file. Okay, so if you will just check this report, so still it is running on the um, let me show you in the all the three browser playwright. So report, so now you can see, let me one second guys. So npx playwright show report, so it will show the report. Okay, so you can see in this, using this command, we have executed our own file and it is executed in all three browsers. So next we have how to execute your test in your specific browser. So if you guys could see, it will execute it for all three default browser: npx playwright, okay, test basics UI. Can define the file name spec as spec.js. Okay, one second, still I did not define the, then you have to execute only in chromium. Okay, so this is, we can execute our test in chromium. Okay, so now our test will execute only in chromium browser. So now let me, okay, basics spec UI. So let me show you the report. npx play write so report. Okay, so still it is executing in all three browser. Let me check what is the problem. Okay, so okay, so guys, still it were executing all three browser. The reason behind this, we have miss, you have to define this hyphen. Okay, you have to define this hyphen, and now let me run this. So you can see now the test case are executed in only chromium. So guys, next command we have how to execute your test script in headed mode, right? So whatever the uh, command we have run till now, and you could see they are running as our script is running in headless mode. And now I want to execute our script with chromium. and headed mode. So you can write hyphen headed. So now our script will execute in headed mode. You can see the UI is launched and you can see our test is passed. So it's a very fast. Okay. So next we have how to execute your test in debug mode. So we can execute in our test in debug mode npx um, playwright playwright then basics UI dot spec dot js, and I want to execute um, I want to execute in Chromium project equal to Chromium hyphen uh, headed mode, and we can just add hyphen debug. Okay, so now think our file name is incorrect. Let me correct this. So our file name is basics UI.spec. Let me we have missed test. Okay, so npx playwright test basics, our file name, Chromium headed mode, and now it's a debug mode. So again we have some typo mistake. Let me project spelling is wrong. Project Chromium hyphen headed mode, and now we have executed in debug mode, and you can see one debug option is, one debug mode is one another window debug mode is executed. So you can say this is your resume, your test, and it will do the step over. So you can see line by line we have debugged this code means, and when I will just click on this again step over, so it's our script is executed means you can execute your code in debug mode as well. So these are the important command we have while running the test cases in Playwright, and this is your also interview question. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.